be on the position of choosing not to be chosen. I think we have this mindset of, I don't want to do the hard work. I just want you to help me to achieve what I want. And that's a mindset that always want to be chosen rather than the one that do the choosing. Because I think we are all so much capable on being the one that can choose what we want, can choose what we do. But rather, a lot of people spend their time hoping that they can be chosen or they can be lucky. But in reality, that rarely happen. And what can happen that on your control is build a mindset or a position where you can choose rather than being directed or being ordered to what to do. It's really hard because most of the time we have these constraints or barriers that makes it difficult to happen. At the end of the day, you will have two options. It either you have the position to choose or you have accept that your only worth in this world is to be chosen if you get lucky or not to be chosen at all. And I think most of the wakers will pick the first one because we know we are capable of. So, as always, stay awake, wakers, and ready to choose the path that you want to take. See you again next time.